Hello guys, my name is Shivai Patel or today I am going to make Korean style Maggi. Let's begin.
Boil Maggi, ketchup, chili flakes, garlic, soya sauce, green onion, oil, vinegar, Maggi masala and sesame seeds. First we will open stove and we will cook that butter and we will put garlic. After garlic we will put soya sauce. Taste according soya sauce. Then we will put green onion. Then chili flakes. Then vinegar. Red cat and we will mix. And we will add red ketchup. And we will put Maggi masala, sesame, and we will mix. And we will put Maggi, boil Maggi, and we will mix Maggi. And we will put that salt and we will mix, and it is honestly really good.